M and J's Ratchet YouTube challenges. Take one. Oh, this is Whisper Challenge.
Okay. I really like this music. Okay, are we ready?
Can
Wait,
you hear me?
how many times are you allowed to repeat the sentence?
3.
Okay, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Wait, did you say it already? I was like, I was not ready.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay. Biden's butt is fine.
Do I get to try? What? Do I get to try to guess? Michael's bike. What? Michael's bike is high. Okay, wait, don't talk yet, because the music. Okay, now you can talk.
Wait, can you hear me?
Now I can kind of hear you now.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, that's
can you hear me now?
I can still hear it a little bit. Okay, that's good.
Can you hear me? Okay. Biden's butt is fine.
Michael's bike is fine.
You got the third word. Third word is right.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, fine is the third word. Okay, ready? One more time. Biden's butt is fine.
Oh. Wait, it fell out. Wait, was that my third time?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Wait, do you want to go replay? Want me to say it again? Say again. No, do you want me to say it again one more time?
Your first try was right?
No. Never mind. Okay. Ready?
Okay, are you repeating it one more time? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. Let me put it in. Okay, go. Okay.
Biden's butt is fine.
Biden's bike is fine? What?
Think about it. Biden's butt is fine.
Oh, yeah, I'm so close.
I know, you had 2 of the 3 words.
Does that count as like a...
No points. 0.
No. Hey, we should get partial points.
No, there's no partial points in this.
You suck. Okay, tell me if you still can hear me.
Oh god.
Your turn.
We're
Let me
gonna
think
die.
of a sentence.
We're gonna die. I can't read lips to save my life. Can you talk?
Do you hear me? Do you still hear me? Okay. 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 You ready? Okay. I don't like ashy skin.
Hagrid has hands.
You're trying, so that's good. No, okay. Second time. I don't
like
ashy
hatchet.
skin.
Hold on. The song's changing now.
Okay. Is it an ad?
Mm-mm.
Can you hear me?
Okay, now go.
Do
Go.
you hear me?
I don't hear you.
Okay.
I don't like
ashy skin.
hatchet skin. That's what I hear.
Okay, last time. Okay, do you hear me? Do you hear me?
No.
Okay. I don't
like
ashy skin.
horrid skin.
You were so
I
good.
can't. Wait, what'd you say?
Ashy.
Oh, it looks like Hagrid or Hagrid's skin. I was like, what?
What? That doesn't even make sense.
You could.
Oh, okay, so we're tied.
This is really loud. Maybe I should turn it down for you.
Oh.
Just move this thing until you can't hear me. Can you hear me?
Oh.
Can you hear me? No? Okay. Okay. Ready? Bobby has toe fungus.
Joe is funny?
No. No. Bobby has toe fungus.
Barbie has... Wait, Barbie has... toe?
Has and toe. So, 2, 3.
Barbie has toe... Oh. Oh, snap. What the heck?
Why are you yelling? Stop yelling.
Oh, where's that yelling? Sorry.
Barbie has.
Okay. Bobby. Bobby?
Good.
Bobby has toe. Bobby has toe.
One more word.
Are you allowed to repeat it again, or did you repeat it?
one more time.
Okay.
Okay. Bobby has toe fungus.
Fungus.
Yeah! Got it. Okay, good job.
Yes.
Now I have to get the next one. Oh God.
Okay.
Oh, the stakes are one of us posts an ugly picture on our Twitters.
OMG.
On both of our accounts.
OMG.
So both personal and the other person's. I can't ever run a YouTube channel. This is so bad.
Okay. I'm gonna try to think. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Okay. Why are the bathrooms so nasty?
Why are leeks tofu?
That is way off. Okay. You got the first 2 words right.
Wait. The song's changing.
Okay.
Why are leeks tofu? It's an ad.
Okay. We'll have to wait.
Online degree programs.
Why is this ad so long? Why is this ad so long? Okay.
Homegirl keeps talking. Okay.
Are you ready?
I can't hear you.
Okay. Why are the bathrooms so nasty?
Why are the bathrooms so nasty?
Yes!
Yeah! I got it! Yes!
Oh,
Sweet
OMG.
success. We're tied. Hey, what's this song though? It's really good.
Sam Smith?
It kind of sounds like him.
It's so loud I can hear it. Lay Me Down, Sam Smith.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna hold it in. Okay.
Good? Can you hear me? Okay, hold on. Okay. Haters should not commit porn.
Angus beef should cut more. Should cut more meat, something.
Angus beef should cut more. Okay.
Did I get any words right?
No.
Oh crap.
Haters should not commit porn.
Something should cost way more.
No, should is right.
Should
Is right, but no.
college
No.
should. What the heck? Okay, one more.
Okay. Haters should not commit porn.
Something hair should freeze more, a bit more.
No.
What? Wait, what was?
Haters should not commit porn. Miranda rules. Stick by 'em quick.
OMG.
That was really hard though.
I was like more.
Angus
was
beef.
like-
That was so funny.
This video's not going anywhere.
It's not, don't worry. This is so bad.
What the heck?
Angus beef should cut more meat.
That was so.
How do you even come up with that? Hatching skin.
Okay, let me think of a good one. Next to you. Okay. Do you hear me? Okay. We love growing molds in the room.
We like to go boating in the room. Wait. The song's changing. It's we?
Mm-hmm.
Is there a boating in there? Oh. Like to? No?
No. Okay. We love growing mold in the room.
We love to go boating in the room.
The last
We
sentence.
love to.
Yes.
In the room.
Yes.
So what's this one? Okay. I got this. It's not boating. It looks like boating.
Okay. Are you
We
ready? We
love
growing. We love
Go.
We love growing mold in the room.
We love to go. We love to go.
Mm-mm. We love growing mold in the room.
We love to go.
You can't get over the boating part.
That's what it looks like. I don't know what it
I
is.
said, we love growing mold in the room.
Oh, it looks like boating. It looks like we love to go boating in the room.
That doesn't even make sense. Nothing.
Oh, it's hard. Oh, wait, what number are we at right now?
This is the
Third sentence?
third one, yeah.
Okay.
But we're still tied.
I'm gonna win.
You can't.
I have to.
OMG.
I have to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There are pandas on the ceiling.
They are
I don't know.
They are bad.
How does that look like? Oh my god. No.
Okay.
Can I repeat?
Yeah.
Okay. There are pandas on the ceiling.
They are bad songs in the city.
They're bad songs. Okay.
You barely open your mouth.
Because it doesn't. Okay. One more time.
Okay, yeah.
There are pandas on the ceiling.
Is city the last word?
No.
What the heck? Hold on. The song stopped.
That was your last try. You already had listened to it.
I love this song. OMG.
Your face. OMG.
They're They're bad.
No.
They're sad.
Mm-mm.
They're had.
No. They're had.
But there's the first word.
Yeah.
There's some.
No.
There is.
No.
5 seconds to happen.
Wilding.
There are wild.
No.
I don't know.
There are pandas on the ceiling.
What the heck?
Boom, baby. Wait. Is that the third sentence? I could have sworn we already made three sentences. I think this was my fourth one.
Okay.
So now
Okay,
it's four for
4.
you.
I love the song. Okay.
They're saying Wyland, not Holden, or whatever the hell you said. Seconds from Wyland.
Wilden. Wild like wild.
Okay.
Yes, I looked up the lyrics. So.
Are you ready?
Hold on, let me think. Okay. Millie wants to hook up with a hobo.
Millie, were you hooking up with a hobo?
No. Millie wants to hook up with a hobo.
Millie,
Yeah.
were
No.
where?
No.
It looks like Millie, were you hooking up with a hobo?
Do you want me to repeat it one last time? Okay. Millie
Millie,
wants to hook up with a hobo.
Millie, were you hooking with a hobo?
You're close.
Huh?
You're close.
What could it be? Millie, were you whoring with a hobo? Millie, were you hoo-haing with the yoke hobo? I have no clue.
Millie wants to hook up with a hobo.
Oh, I was so close. Oh, man.
It's still a tie.
Okay, we have to go to 6 if we can. We have to go as high as we can until somebody wins.
Okay. Wait, who started first?
You did.
Oh, okay. So this is the 5th one, right?
Yeah, so we'll just keep going until
Until
somebody
somebody
wins. Well, no. Okay, say I get it. No, say you get it right. I still have to have a chance to, like,
Okay.
redeem myself. So if I know what you're saying, then we have to go up one more.
Okay. It's so loud.
Oh, you want to turn it down? It's this thing right here. No. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Talk dirty to me. Okay, come on.
No other angel.
I don't know what to say.
But you don't want it.
For your birthday, I am going to hire multiple strippers.
Is that just one sentence?
Yeah.
That's a long sentence.
Okay, I'll give you 4. So I'll repeat this.
Wait,
one.
what?
I'm gonna repeat it.
Okay,
and
you're
it's not gonna count.
not that sentence anymore?
No. I'll repeat it and it's not gonna count. So that first time that I said it doesn't count.
Okay.
For your birthday, I am going to hire multiple strippers.
For your birthday,
Mm-hmm.
I will acquire. I will get.
Just guess. Just keep going.
I will buy.
No.
Give
No.
you a stripper.
Close. You're so close. All right.
Okay, can you repeat it again?
For your birthday, I will hire multiple strippers.
For your birthday, I will hire more strippers.
You're 1 word off.
Oh, I'm so close.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
For your birthday, I will hire multiple strippers.
For your birthday, I will hire many strippers.
No!
Okay, hold on. The song is about to end. About a week ago. Okay. For your birthday, I will hire more male strippers. Many male strippers.
No.
Biden strippers?
No, that's good.
Am I only missing one word?
Yeah.
What the heck? For your birthday, I will hire Arab strippers?
No, bitch, that's for me only. No.
Okay, I don't know. What is it?
I will hire multiple strippers.
Oh! Hey, many strippers count.
No, it's multiple. You have to get all the words
What
correct.
the heck? Okay.
Okay.
OMG, I hope you don't get this one right.
Wow. Well, you're probably gonna come up with like something hard.
Multiple was a hard word.
It is.
Yeah.
That's what got you.
So let me think of it. Okay. Are you ready? Monroe.
Wait. Restart. I didn't even see anything.
Okay. Monroe Park looks like a snowman graveyard.
Burger and fries and storage. I heard burgers and fries and stormy shakes.
Okay. Monroe Park looks like a snowman graveyard.
Boba. Something.
Stop thinking about food. It's not cheeseburger.
The only words I saw were boba, juicy steaks.
Okay, one last time.
None of it is legible.
Okay. Monroe Park
Bugro Park.
looks like a
Tourist.
snowman graveyard.
So many trees are. I can't read what you're saying. Should I take it out?
Yeah. I said Monroe Park looks like a snowman graveyard.
What the fuck? How the hell did I get burgers and fries in storage?
I don't know. Just think about
I said Taurus sex.
Oh my
I could have sworn I saw Taurus sex.
This is porn.
I thought I saw Monroe Park. I thought I saw Park. So I was going to say Monroe Park, but then I was like, but the first thing, when you say M, it looks like a B, so I was like, no, it can't be. No, it looks like ba.
No, Monroe Park.
It looks like a B, so it looked like burgers. Burgers and fries and stormy shakes and Taurus sex and juicy steaks.
That rhymes though.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, let's try it one more round. Can we change the song? I don't like the song.
What song is this?
It's a ghetto song.
Hey, you racist bitch. What song is it? Oh, I don't know this one.
Oh, it is with GDFR.
I like this song though.
Oh, there's an ad, so we'll have to wait. I hate
Hey,
this
let's
ad.
look like those people. It's not supposed to be. Oh, this is like the challenge. It's not supposed to be easy.
That's a really intense. It looks like a cult. Can we skip this ad?
Jesus.
Oh, yeah, we can skip it. There you go.
Okay.
See? Oh, I don't like the song.
Oh. Let's listen to what is it called? Black Widow?
Bye. Can we forward it? This is good enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, this has been going on for 27 minutes?
Round 6?
Yeah, round 6. Let's see.
Your picture perfect.
Bexley and Paisley will be far superior to your kids.
I did not understand anything you just said.
Hey, that's how I felt. Okay.
Okay.
Just guess.
Pakistan. Pakistan something. I have no idea. Okay, can you repeat it again? Okay.
Twice. Bexley and Paisley will be far superior than your kids.
Parsley are weird.
Parsley are weird.
Parsley are weird vegetables.
Okay. Bexley and Paisley will be far superior than your kids.
Francine hates a bicycle.
Francine, you hate bicycles. You heartless wench.
Wait, can I try something else?
Yeah.
Herpes is something on campus?
No. No.
Okay, what is it?
Bexley and Paisley will be far superior than your kids.
I knew there was parsley in it.
It's Paisley. Oh, goodness. You didn't get one word right in that.
Hey, you didn't even get one word right on my last one, too.
I know.
So. We're even. Okay.
Burgers and fries and stormy shakes, Taurus sex, and juicy steaks. That's my new motto now. Come on to me now. Sound in my heart, the beat goes on.
Okay, are you ready? Okay. Anatomy and physiology will be your favorite classes next semester.
Your favorite Les Breaker.
What did you say?
Your favorite Les Breaker. I don't know. I caught a word in the beginning and then I forgot it and then I just saw Les Breaker.
Okay. Can you hear me? Are you ready? Okay. Anatomy and physiology will be your favorite classes next semester.
Versace. I saw Versace bitch you. Versace bitch, you're less than Breaker.
No. You got one word right. Favorite.
Oh, go again.
Okay. Anatomy and physiology will be your favorite classes next semester.
With me, less something. I don't know. The last word looks like Breaker.
It's anatomy and physiology will be your favorite classes next semester.
What the fuck? How the hell was I supposed to get that?
Anatomy was
Versace bitch,
easy.
you're less than Breaker. Okay.
This is gonna go on till midnight. We are so bad.
Okay, I'll go with like shorter sentences now.
Okay.
Maybe
We should limit our sentences to
it's
like
like 5 words.
5 words.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're still tied. And this is like round 7 now?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Equally awful.
Okay. Acquire, fortune, disregard, females.
Why force females?
No.
Okay, can you do it again?
What was it? Acquire, fortune, disregard, females.
Females is their last word.
Yeah.
Francine, you and me are females?
As opposed to, do we have dicks? Okay. Acquire,
Acquire?
money, disregard, females.
Acquired bodies are females?
No.
Is acquire the first word?
Yes.
Acquire... acquire hair?
No.
Was that... Wait, can you repeat it again?
No, you...
Oh, that was the third time?
Yeah, fool. Yeah.
That was the third time?
Mm-hmm.
Acquire a beautiful face of a female?
No. I don't know. Acquire money, disregard females.
That wasn't even a sentence. That's a fragment.
Hey, that's not something I always say though. It's better than I was gonna say bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks. Or
Oh.
like say fuck money, get bitches. But then
No, I'm not gonna say that word. Okay.
exactly. That's why I had to go with the cleaner version.
Oh, man.
See, I use smarter words.
Okay, what should I do?
The song's changing.
I'm taking...
I hate this song. Can you change it? Going to the river.
Do you like
to
this, or
pray.
do you want me to change it?
Don't work like they used to before. And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Maybe I should move this way. That way people can see me.
Okay.
Wait, I can hear you. Smile from the cheek. Darling, I will
Ready?
be loved.
Okay. Raphael should be executed now.
5:50, you, me, usher down.
What did you just say? No. No. You me to repeat it again? Okay. Raphael should
50 hands.
executed now.
You and me execute someone.
It's only 5 words.
Huh?
It's only 5 words.
I know, but all I see is 50 hands. You and me execute someone.
Do you want me to repeat it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. Raphael should...
Wait. Can you start over?
Raphael should be executed now.
Raphael creeps me out. Oh man.
Raphael should be executed now.
I got executed correctly, and I got Raphael. Oh man. What the hell? No. Oh my god. No, Raphael should not be executed now. Hey, I got executed in Raphael. That's so good. High five, Millie. Okay. I'm proud of myself for getting that. This is gonna go on till midnight, I swear. We should make these easier.
After 36 minutes.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Mangoes.
Wait, can you start over again? I was looking in your eye. Okay. Not in your lips.
I was looking in your eyes.
Okay.
Mangoes, pineapples, and jackfruits are my favorite.
Wait, that's only 5 words?
Oh, wait. No, restart. Okay. Okay, ready? I will lick your face.
I will lick your friends.
No.
I will lick you.
No.
I will lick you fine.
No. I will lick you fine. You want me to repeat it?
Wait, can you repeat it again?
I will lick your face.
I will lick your face.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was easy though.
Yes. OMG. I think I'm about to win. Okay. I'll try to give you an easy one. Okay. Did you hear me? Okay. Panda Express is the bay.
Is the best. Is that the last 3 words?
Last 2 words.
Is the?
No. Yes.
Best? Is there best? Okay.
Panda Express is the bay.
Bison Bruncheon is the bed? Did I get bed right?
No. Okay, last one. Panda Express is
Best Sprite
the
is the
best
beast.
bay.
Bed? Bay? Oh man. Biden Booty is the bay?
Mm-mm.
What the fuck? Oh my god, that hurts so bad. Okay, well now that I'm just guessing and this is the last turn,
You got the last 3 words right.
it begins with B, right? And M?
Mm-mm.
What the hell, you fob? All your B's, M's, and N's all look alike. Did it begin with a P? Who the fuck could this be? Because all I'm thinking is Omar Bakri, Adam Bakri, but that's not it.
Mm-mm.
Mehmetier?
Mm-mm. Yes, I got to post
Yeah,
a picture
I
of
think
Millie. Yes.
Wait, what'd you say?
I said Panda Express.
Is the bit? Aw, man, what the hell? Alright, this concludes the session.
I won!
Fuck you.